What if I told you Nigeria didn't win independence with one big war, but with pressure, politics, and a ticking clock? For decades, Nigeria was ruled by Britain. Its people taxed, its resources controlled, and its leaders sidelined. But after World War II, everything changed. Across Africa, the call for freedom got louder, and Nigerians were done waiting. Young activists, journalists, and political leaders began organizing protests, strikes, and powerful campaigns. Newspapers exposed colonial injustice. Workers shut down cities. Students demanded a voice, and one by one, Nigerian leaders pushed into government, not with bullets but ballots. By the 1950s, Britain realized something huge. Holding on to Nigeria was becoming impossible, too big, too restless, too united. So instead of a violent collapse, negotiations began step by step. Nigeria gained more control over its own government, until finally on October 1st, 1960, the British flag came down and Nigeria stood up as a free nation. No single battle, no single hero, just millions of voices that refused to stay silent. Hit like, subscribe, and support the channel.